back to another edition of Tech Doesn't Bite. Today we're going back into Canva, and I wanted to show you a cool little feature especially for me as a teacher. I use this one a lot. It's taking a PDF and bringing it into Canva, and now I can change it. I always find the cutest little things, and then there's just one thing I want to change, and then I either have to recreate the document or just skip it. So you're going to come over here and you're going to click Create. I'm going to create a doc, so I'm just clicking here. I'm going to click here on Docs again. Then I am going to come over here to the left side and click on Uploads. I'm going to click Upload Files. And I'm going to go to get this PDF right here, open it up, and it's going to load over here. When it does load, I'm going to click on it and apply all 3 pages. Okay, now I have it here, so I can go and change it up. I can click on that. Let's say I want that to be a different color. So I can click over here, make it red, blue, black, you get the idea. I can also come up here, and if I wanted to change the font on all the top row, I am going to click on the first one, then I'm going to hold down Shift and click each one. And then I can come over here and change my font to something else that I like. Okay, let's go to that one. And now my font got changed at the top. And when I'm finished changing everything that I want to change on it, I can just click over here on Share, Download, and I can download it as a PNG. I can download it as a PDF, whatever I would like to download it as. That's all. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or there's anything that you would like to see, just leave it in the comments and have a great day.